Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something super handy: how to add your Jets tickets to Apple Wallet in 2025. If you're a fan of the New York Jets or any event using digital tickets, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time, saving you hassle at the gates. First things first, why bother with Apple Wallet? It's all about convenience. Your ticket's right on your iPhone's lock screen, ready to scan with a quick glance. Plus, with 2025 updates, Apple has made it even smoother with better integration and security features. But before we dive in, ensure you have an iPhone running iOS 18 or later and that your Jets tickets are digital, probably sent via email or the official Jets app. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the email or app where your Jets ticket is located. Look for the ticket attachment. It might say, Add to Apple Wallet, right there. If it's in the Jets app, navigate to your tickets section and find the option to add it. Step 2. Tap on the Add to Apple Wallet button. You'll see a preview of your ticket. Double-check the details like the event date, seat number, and any QR codes to make sure everything's correct. If prompted, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode for security. Step 3. Once verified, hit Add and watch as your ticket magically appears in your Apple Wallet app. For 2025, you might notice new features like automatic updates for rescheduled events or enhanced NFC scanning. Pretty cool, right? If you run into any issues, like the ticket not showing up, try restarting your phone or checking for app updates. Always keep your iOS up to date to avoid glitches. There you have it. That's how you add Jets tickets to Apple Wallet in 2025. It's quick, secure, and a game changer for event goers. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.